நீ இல்லாத நாளெல்லாம் நாளாகுமா? நீ இல்லாத வாழ்வெல்லாம் வாழ்வாகுமா?
Exodus chapter 2 verse 6. She opened it and saw the baby. He was crying and she felt sorry for him. This is one of the Hebrew babies, she said. This verse records the words of Pharaoh's daughter when she saw the child in the basket and took it out. She opened it and saw the baby. He was crying and she felt sorry for him. This is one of the Hebrew babies, she said. Those days, the male Hebrew babies were ordered to be killed. This was a rule and direct command from the same Pharaoh's palace that this basket with baby Moses reached. Pharaoh's daughter knew this. That's why she said, "This is one of those Hebrew babies." Knowing full well about the situation, she still felt sorry for the baby and she had compassion towards the baby. Here we can see the wisdom of God. It was God who changed Pharaoh's daughter's heart towards his divine plan. The compassion on the child and the way Moses was brought up, everything is a witness to God's wisdom and the might of his hand. The Egyptians plotted evil. In their own wisdom, they devised an evil plan. They decided to kill all the male babies so that all the females, when they grew up, would have to marry the Egyptian slaves, as there would be no men among the Israelites. This will end the offspring of Israel entirely. There will be no generation of Israel left in this world. That was their evil plan. That was their wisdom. But what is the wisdom of God? In the same place where they planned evil, in the place where they devised a strategy to oppress, in the same place, in the same palace, the Lord brought up Moses. The man who plots to destroy you will become a man who helps you. God will change the man who has been plotting to corrupt you into a man who would bring you up. God's wisdom is unique and special. Today, many people may devise evil plans against you and your family. Satan may look to destroy you, but do not be afraid. Finally, God's wisdom always triumphs. All the plans of the devil will be thwarted. The devil will be defeated. The enemies will be defeated. But for us, we will be victorious. Do not be afraid. God's wisdom will do great and mighty things through you and your children. The more you are oppressed, the more you will multiply and increase. You will become an army. Our God is a God who does mighty things through humble people. He is the omniscient God. Do not be afraid. Only His plans will come to pass in your life. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. God bless you.